So when you finally go back to make that new post, they're going to see the post. They can engage. And then guess what happens? It pushes that post further into the algorithm and also rewards you more by showing more of your other followers who you haven't engaged with yet. That's how the algorithm works. What up, gang? In this video, what I'm going to show you how to do is to make sure that next time you post on your Instagram, that every person who follows you, not every person, I can't be promising like that, but way more people than you would expect will see your profile. And something that I did, I was like, wait, this is a really good idea. I did it and it worked exceptionally well. I'm going to give you those things step by step in this video.
You will?
Don't forget, end of this video, word of the day. Got a hot girl I brought in here. She's gonna teach you a word of the day. Let's get into it. Now, this video is super quick like I talk and super smart, and it has a list of benefits that I'm gonna give you after I tell you what we're doing here. If you haven't posted in a while, you may feel like, oh man, my engagement's gonna suck, and you might be right, but don't worry, this will help you gain that momentum back, okay? So basically what I'm gonna show you how to do is make sure that when you post again, everybody is able to see your post so that it really floods into you, okay? Here's what you're gonna do first, okay? You're gonna make a post on your Instagram story. Then 30 minutes after that, you're gonna go look at everyone who saw it, okay? It'll show you. You're gonna go to all their profiles and you're gonna like at least one picture, and then you're also gonna check, go to who they're following and make sure they're still following you. Now really, this took me about 25 minutes to do, and I only had one person who had unfollowed me. I honestly expected way more. You just never know. I DM'd him and said, oh, you unfollowing, huh? And then he said, oh man, my bad, and he apologized, and he followed me again.
It was not acceptable.
So here are the benefits of this method to you, okay? And why it actually is gonna help you in the algorithm and help you with your fan base and engagement and everything. Number one, the people watching your story first are the people who care to watch it. You wanna make sure that you keep these people around and you're really engaging with these people because they're stronger fans already. You don't wanna lose them. You wanna make sure you're really engaging with these people who care enough to be like, oh, I'm watching that story, right? By going to their profile and liking a picture or commenting or both, it shows them that you see them watching your story, which is the first thing that makes them feel special, okay? This will make them want to watch your story even more and more often because they'll think that you'll see them every time, even when you're not commenting and responding to them all the time. They're like, oh, he's clearly watching, she's clearly watching. Think about it. Number two, then you leave a comment that makes them feel special, showing that you took your time to notice them and like a picture of theirs. So you say something specific to what it is. It only takes you a second. This is how you build the relationship, but this is really more of a tactic to build super strong, way more hardcore relationships. Once you have that relationship established, you can ask this person to do favors for you. You gotta understand that. You gotta leverage your fan base to help you promote yourself to grow, okay?
Thank you.
Number three, now the reason why I'm telling you to do this even after you had made a post in a while, that this is how you retain your fans even after a drought of not posting, okay? Number four, engaging with them tells the Instagram algorithm that you are connected and will show more of your post to these people more often, especially when you make this post. That's why after you do this, you're gonna make the actual post to your page, preferably a Reels. Then you're gonna repeat this process with every single person who liked your photo or your Reel, and you're gonna re-engage with them again. Whenever you like or comment on somebody's video or reel on their Instagram, and then they re-engage back with your profile, it relinks you in Instagram in the algorithm, because it says this person is actually interested in engaging with this person. Let's show them more of this person's content again.
Bing bong.
So when you finally go back to make that new post, they're gonna see the post. They can engage. And then guess what happens? It pushes that post further into the algorithm and also rewards you more by showing more of your other followers who you haven't engaged with yet. That's how the algorithm works.
Oh God.
Really quick, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further, faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. Then you're gonna make another story post with a screenshot blurred out of the post that you just made on your profile, and you're gonna say, first post I made in 6 months. I appreciate y'all so much, right? Or you say something that's gonna make them like interested, like, oh man, he's posting, like, or say, this was something special enough to post about, right? And they're like, well, I wonder what it is. It makes them curious. You wanna make people curious. And you're gonna repeat the process again that I talked about with every single person who watches that story that you made, okay? And of course you're gonna have some repeats, but since this is a different time of day, it'll be a new batch of people, okay? Because you're further on other people in different times and stuff like that. Now, you don't wanna lose your followers you already worked so hard for, right? So this is how you're gonna retain them, regain them, get them back into the algorithm for you to be showing your post, and it's just very powerful. It's very powerful, okay? You wanna check out my Instagram, Rob_level, and watch the tricks that I do to grow my fan base that you can use too, and also get your hands on my music marketing master series, or the music industry shortcut, which has it too. Anyway, I'm gonna put links below where you can get the download of a bunch of stuff that'll help you, all right? Either way, it's time for word of the day.
Hey guys, it's Sierra, and today's word of the day is innate. The definition is existing in one from birth.
I mean, you were born with that shit. He had the innate ability to rap his ass off. Oh. All right, gang, hit me with a subscribe. I'm gonna give you a free download, the 12 levels of the music industry blueprint. Wherever you're at in the music industry now, I'll show you where you need to be and all the levels in between, okay? So Make sure you get that below. Hope that you learned a new word today. I hope that you're gonna start using these, at least use them at least a little bit. You're gonna watch it work. I did it, it works very well. It takes a little bit of time, but what else you doing? Sitting on the toilet, take a nice long, you know what I'm saying, and just sit there and do that. Pause, wait a minute, whatever, you get what I'm saying. Keep hustling, gang. Hit subscribe for me. Get your free download below, and I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.